Are you constantly juggling employee training, customer onboarding, and product education, using a messy mix of tools, documents, and guesswork? Are you struggling to keep everyone on the same page while tracking who's actually learning what? Well, there's a better way. Meet WorkRamp. WorkRamp is an all-in-one learning management platform built for modern teams. Whether you're training employees, partners, or customers, WorkRamp helps you create, deliver, and track impactful learning experiences at scale. If you're ready to simplify your training process, boost performance, and empower your people, with WorkRamp, you can onboard faster, train smarter, and drive measurable results through customizable learning paths, analytics, and engaging content, all from one platform. In this video, we'll take a tour of WorkRamp and show you how to use it to elevate your learning strategy. From building beautiful courses to analyzing learner progress, we'll break it all down so you can start seeing results right away. First things first, head over to their website, which is workramp.com. Now you should be able to see this. As you can see, they've been trusted by 2.5 million learners since 2015. That's almost 10 years ago. They're also trusted by all of these well-known companies that you can see right here. So WorkRamp is intelligent, integrated, and intuitive. As you can see, it recently added the AI to infuse it and supercharge your learning programs. You can suggest grades, translate, as well as narrate trainings. So, as you can see, since AI is the future of technology, WorkRamp is not left behind. So, in that way, your learners or your new employees will also not be left behind. Now, as you can see, WorkRamp can be integrated with these key systems for your products. We have Salesforce, LinkedIn, Zapier, Zoom, Slack, and a lot more that you can actually integrate. Now, WorkRamp is also intuitive and extremely powerful, but easy to use for admins and learners. They have a lot of things like general sales enablement as well as a lot more things. So, with WorkMap, you can see in here a faster employee onboarding that can help you welcome your team with additional live training and meeting them. So, in that way, you can ramp employees faster. We also have talent development with effective L&D programs for your actual employees. It can also have revenue enablement so you can win more deals and grow more revenue. You can see in here the overview of each revenues right here, and we also have in here the compliance training. So in that way, you can mitigate or completely remove corporate risk. You can see in here the security awareness expert. You can see in here the recipients for those particular awards. Now in here we also have customer and community. In that way, you can engage customers and reduce charge of those customers that you have into your actual business. Now, in here, we also have partner education. So you can train and certify your partners so you will never be let down. You can also set up their portal and then set up their background image, sizing, and then make up some things for them. So here's an example of this. We have in here the homepage, the in progress for this particular part or for this particular employee. We have in here the overview progress of them as well as the completed progress of that assignment. We also have in here the events, libraries, review, people, and mentorship that's under us. Now, the great thing is that WorkRamp actually integrates Zentra.ai, which is actually another part of them for the customer learning cloud. In that way, you can improve product adaptation as well as decrease churn through scalable customer training. So in here you can see the example of what WorkRamp would look like. So you can switch between employee learning cloud as well as customer learning cloud. So in here for the employee learning, we can build, deliver, as well as manage learning programs for our specific employees. Onto the customer learning cloud, we can create customized learning experiences. Like for example, if you're a nutritional coach, you can create those experiences or courses for your clients. So you can see in here the L&D Academy, Enablement Academy, WorkRamp Academy, Partner Academy, as in right here, you can also create a new academy for this particular task. So, for example, if you're a nutritional coach, you can create a nutrition academy if you would like right here. We also have in here what it looks like into the actual cloud. So, for this case, on our employee onboarding, we can see in here that we can onboard typical employees like general, manager, engineering, or you can also rename it if you want. For example, if you have researchers, you can see in here the onboarding series, the 30, 60, 90 days assessment. You can also see in here the training, challenges, leadership development, as well as general, libraries, academies content that they can freely browse, some events catered for them, content marketplace, archive, pre-built content, as well as ETINA compliance content. Now, under this onboarding, you can see in here the actual content. Like, for example, the onboarding path, the sexual harassment prevention for employees, the product training for them, sales role play, as well as Slack training. For this case, you can see in here the recently assessed, and if you would want, you can also create new ones. You can create paths for them, challenges, libraries, pre-built content, events, as well as a lot more. From in here, you can also see some resource library like sales learning and resource that people or employees that you have onto your actual plan can access. So if you have employees, they can access that if you permit it. And of course, we also have other resource library for actual clients that we have into our business. So all of it right here are powered by Centra.ai. That's actually the partner of our WorkRamp. So if you're interested to learn more, head over to their website, which is workramp.com. Click onto this request a demo. And then after that, just fill up in here this information and then schedule a demo with them and then wait for a sales representative to get in touch with you. Meanwhile, you can also watch a webinar that's actually discussing this as well. But you don't need that because you already watched this video. So if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment with your biggest L&D challenge. We'd love to hear how you plan to use WorkRamp in your business or what features you'd like us to cover in the next deep dive. Thank you so much for watching.